A few months ago, one of my clients contacted me and said she wants a brand identity and an online presence. First, I created a brand identity because I'm a brand person, and then she launched out on her social media handles. When I suggested she should create an e-commerce website because she'll have to establish herself globally, so it won't be just the people she knows that she's going to be selling to. I contacted a professional to create a website for her, and after she created the website, her profit level was 100% times of what she was making before. So to make this video, I contacted a friend who has worked with diverse tech startups, and he has 3 running businesses that are profitable. One of them is Host Zeros, which is going to share with you how to run a profitable business online. Let's dive into this video. So picking up from the story I started earlier with, I think you can share some importance of owning a website for a startup business and maybe a full-blown business.
Yes, thank you very much. You see, owning a business is not just about starting up a business. You need an avenue where people can get to know about this business. So one of the importance of having a website, gives you an avenue where you can display your services, you share your products. Everybody everywhere can get to know about your service and what you do, and how you do them, the pricing and all that.
Okay. Meanwhile, it helps you create an identity that is going to stand you out in the space. You get website is more like an identity to after your logo. You get website is unique to your website is unique to you and your business.
So that's an important point to make there. I mean, it's a unique thing to you, because you own it. So I think another point that is very important for having a website, because these days of Google search and all that, is because it keeps you, it places you on the map. People get to know this business exists. You have an address. You have a global presence. You have a presence. In fact, you have a location in the map. You get. So that's one of the importance of having a very good website.
Okay, and don't forget, it's a very strong source of income for your business, because like the amount of money your website can direct to your business, like it's unlimited. It's just based on how well you can drive profit from your website.
I mean, that is the important point. Profit, making money.
Because most likely anybody that comes to this video, when they watch it, they are looking for that point, like how am I going to make money? It's an investment.
Yes.
Everybody invests to make back profit. You don't invest to just leave it there.
So like we just discussed, in summary, we discussed about 4 points of importance of having a website, which first one of them was that it drives profits to your website, it drives money, it drives revenue, it drives so much money to you. I mean, that was the point that Imor raised, and I said that okay, you're going to give you a global presence. At least you have a presence in the map. When people search for your business, they can see your services, your products. You get it. So I mean, the importance cannot be overemphasized because it's an investment. It's a long-term investment that, if properly managed, I mean, it's going to be a source of revenue, money, and you pay your bills.
That's true. That's true.
Audio Jungle.
Guys, sorry for interrupting this video, but if it's helpful, don't forget to press the like button and to on the notification button, and please subscribe to this channel. So let's continue with the video.
So guys, we are going to talk about how do you get this website that we just discussed. We discussed the importance of having a website previously, so we are now going to talk about how do you get this website running and make money. So from my experience so far, what you need to do is, first of all, you need to get a domain name. Get a domain name. So what do I mean by getting a domain name? A domain name is the unique name that people can use to search for your website when hosted. That is to say, maybe I am a fashion person and try to say, okay, my website name can be fashionista.com. So that's a domain name. So that's what is domain name. That just is short summary, just a unique name that people can always search for, and they'll get to see your services. So that is one of the steps you need to take to get a running business website. So the second thing you need to do about getting a business website is hosting. You need to buy a hosting account, which means when you buy a domain name, a domain name does not automatically means that your services are shown to the audience. You get it? You need to pay for a domain. So a domain is just like, you know, a location where you push your files to, your pictures for the products you want people to see. You get it? So so you need to subscribe to a hosting provider. You know, the other time you made mention of HostZeros. HostZeros is a hosting company that sell a hosting and also domain name. So there are other hosting providers you can always check out, you know, to buy your domain name and to buy your hosting. But HostZeros is one of them. So first you buy HostZeros, you buy a hosting, then you pay for your hosting. You get it. Pay for your hosting. So what I said is you get a domain name, then you pay for hosting.
So to add to that, you have to deploy your solution. You get deploy your solution, meaning when you're done creating the website, when you're done designing the website, both uploading the pictures and the videos, mostly if you're advertising your business with videos too, and the content too, you push it up to the hosting platform, most likely HostZeros and the rest of them. You push it up to the hosting, people call it push it up to cloud. So you push it up to cloud, so it's going to be there, and call it, anybody in the world can access your solution. So, and another one is to add to that is, so the content you're pushing up has to be in line with the current trend. You get, it has to be in line with the current trend, because when I'm done with trend, you have to talk about how you can positionally place yourself online to be trendy. People can set you up and see you. So trend is very important, both in aesthetics and in functionality. You have to be sure you're not out of date when someone wants to look you up, or when someone wants to look for what are people going for. You're going to be one of the suggestion.
So that was very important points you made there, because these days at times when I go to some website, I was like, oh God, is someone still maintaining this website? Because the things there are so outdated. I mean, they are no longer relevant to what is obtainable as at present. So your point of keeping your content fresh is very important. So it's not just about having a website, but it's about making sure that your content are fresh and trendy, in the sense that you should always post content. You know, there's something called keyword searches. So people search for them almost. So at least when you have fresh content, when there's a search, you know, the possibility of Google redirecting them to your platform, to your website, is very much likely. So what I want to discuss about again is about search engine optimization. Again, so you need to, you know, systematically, you know, push contents to your website, such that it is easier for search engine to crawl over it and, you know, display content that people can actually, you know, relate with. So when you are pushing your content to your website, you need to, you know what is happening around the globe in line with the services you are offering, so that when you are pushing content, you should be fresh, and then the likelihood of, you know, being redirected to your services or website is high. You get it? So other means of making your services, you know, easily locatable could be, you know, having social media accounts. You get, because when I search it up, the possibility of, you know, Google putting your website first, second one your Facebook account, the third one Twitter account, you know, so you need to have this social media, because That's SEO all the way, search engine optimization. You need to have this social media account. You know, if Google couldn't find your website, then for sure your Facebook account could show there. So from your Facebook, someone can locate your website. So social media account is good, very good for search engine optimization.
Okay. So hope the information shared in this video is helpful. If it's helpful, don't forget to drop a comment. If there's a question you want to ask, don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, on your notification for more videos like this. And don't forget to visit HostZeros for your web hosting and your domain name. Till we meet again next time. Peace out.
Audio Jungle.